Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to flush your DNS resolver cache on your Windows 11 computer. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process, guys, and without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So all you have to do is open up the search button. It looks like a little magnifying glass. Type in CMD. Best result should come back with command prompt. Go ahead and right click on that and select run as administrator. If you receive a user account control prompt, go ahead and select yes. And now into this elevated command line window, you want to type in ipconfig space /flush DNS. Flush DNS should all be one word attached to that / out front. So again, ipconfig space /flush DNS. Hit enter on your keyboard. It should come back with a message that says Windows IP configuration successfully flushed your DNS resolver cache. So that's about it, guys. Do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.